Alright, what up you guys? Today we're gonna be making a new video on my boy's IS300 that just came back from the shop. We're gonna do like he's gonna give you a rundown on the car, and then we're gonna go for like a little test drive, and then we'll see where we go from there. But what we got done to this baby, bro?
We did the Precision 5976 on the CX racing kit with a tile wastegate, all AEM gauges, and 550cc injectors.
What was it tuned by?
By some guy named Yusuf at MXPI.
Damn, tell them how much you dropped on this, bro.
Are they ready for this? We dropped 7K on the build. Well, we dropped about 5 on the actual stuff, but the build and everything and the tuning and everything ended up being about 7K. Got a straight pipe exhaust on it. That hole is clean and loud.
For real, bro.
Shit, but that's about it.
Alright, G. Show us what you got under the hood.
My baby Precision. We still gotta do the relocation on the fucking battery though.
This man says it's baby, but I don't really think that's baby.
It's fucking baby.
Shit, that beauty though.
Oh yeah,
Shut
there it goes.
Hold on, I need to get the whole car in this bitch, B. So are you gonna keep the exhaust like this?
I might cut it down like 2
How short?
inches.
So that's gonna be like this?
Yeah, it'll be like right there, yeah.
That's decent. You wanna start it up for us, G? Hold on, we gotta show them the interior too. Show them that suede, boy. Damn, boy, this man driving in style. I think it looks like it's about to shoot flames.
It's definitely going to at night.
You think? Oh, you got the gauges right here. Say what up, Brian. That turbo smells loud as heck. Damn, man. Jeez. Pinche pendejo. So right now you're just driving it in manual mode, right?
Yeah, we're just putting it in manual mode because the driving, when you put it in the automatic mode and you like spike boost, it like shuts off the car because my trans is supposedly too weak. So we're gonna get the Aristo swap trans. We're gonna swap it in over winter after this racing season. Jeez, keep making cool noises for now though.
Small little pool. For real. That shit sounds beautiful. Shit, bro.
No, I'm not.
Baby turbo. Baby turbo.
I'm at my cousin's house. He just got his car back.
Got that little intercooler in there too. Damn, Eddie, what you doing?
Construction, man.
Construction. Recording and start doing that. hope you guys liked that video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll get my boy Eddie to let us know what's up with it. But stay tuned for more videos coming soon, and you'll probably see Eddie popping out more with us on the cruises and shit. Alright, say peace out, boys. Yeah.
Peace.